Did you know that tomatoes are a natural medicine packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and healing properties? But wait. Tomatoes are not just for cooking, they have powerful home remedies that can heal your body naturally. In this video, I'll reveal 10 home remedies using tomatoes that can boost health, clear skin, burn fat, and more. Plus, don't miss the myths versus facts at the end, you'll be surprised. Let's get started. Remedy 1, Tomato for glowing skin and acne-free face. Struggling with acne, dull skin, or pigmentation? Tomatoes are natural astringents that remove oil, dirt, and acne. How to use. Tomato and honey face pack, apply for 15 minutes, wash with cold water. Tomato juice toner, dab on the face daily with cotton. Why it works. Tomato has vitamin C and antioxidants that brighten skin and prevent aging. Remedy 2, Tomato for weight loss and fat burn. Want to shed those extra kilos? Tomatoes can help you burn fat naturally. How to use. Drink tomato juice on an empty stomach every morning. Add tomatoes to your salads for a fat-burning boost. Why it works. Tomatoes are low in calories, high in fiber, and boost metabolism. Remedy 3, Tomato for heart health and cholesterol control. Did you know that tomatoes can protect your heart and lower cholesterol? It's all thanks to lycopene. How to use. Eat 1 raw tomato daily to reduce bad cholesterol. Drink tomato basil juice to improve heart health. Why it works. Lycopene lowers blood pressure and prevents heart disease. 4. Tomato for better eyesight and vision protection. Are screens ruining your eyesight? Tomatoes have vitamin A and beta-carotene, which protect your vision. How to use. Drink tomato and carrot juice for better eyesight. Eat tomato salad regularly for stronger vision. Why it works. These nutrients prevent night blindness and age-related eye issues. Remedy 5, Tomato for brain health and memory boost. Want a sharper memory? Tomatoes reduce brain inflammation and boost cognitive function. How to use. Eat tomatoes with olive oil to boost brain power. Drink tomato ginger juice for better focus. Why it works. Lycopene fights brain cell damage and prevents Alzheimer's. Remedy 6, Tomato for stronger bones and joint health. Tomatoes are loaded with calcium and vitamin K, essential for strong bones and joints. How to use. Drink tomato celery smoothie for joint relief. Add tomato-based soups to your diet. Why it works. Tomatoes reduce osteoporosis risk and strengthen bones. Remedy 7, Tomato for sunburn and skin repair. Did you get sunburnt? Tomatoes have cooling properties that heal sun damage instantly. How to use. Apply chilled tomato pulp on sunburns. Mix tomato juice and aloe vera gel for skin soothing. Why it works. Tomatoes lycopene protects against UV damage. Remedy 8, Tomato for detox and liver cleansing. Want to flush out toxins? Tomatoes detox the liver and cleanse your system. How to use. Drink tomato lemon detox water daily. Add tomatoes to detox salads for a cleansing effect. Why it works. Tomatoes help remove toxins and improve digestion. Remedy 9, Tomato for immunity and cold prevention. Boost your immunity with tomatoes. They are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants. How to use. Drink tomato turmeric soup during flu season. Eat roasted tomatoes with black pepper for instant relief. Why it works. Tomatoes fight infections and keep colds away. Remedy 10, Tomato for blood sugar and diabetes control. Tomatoes can help regulate blood sugar levels naturally. How to use. Eat tomato with cinnamon powder for sugar control. Drink tomato cucumber juice for a healthy pancreas. Why it works. Tomatoes improve insulin sensitivity and prevent diabetes. Myths and facts about tomatoes. Myth 1, tomatoes should never be eaten raw. Fact, raw tomatoes are loaded with antioxidants and fiber. Myth 2, tomatoes cause kidney stones. Fact, tomatoes are safe unless consumed in excess, very rare cases. Myth 3, cooked tomatoes lose their nutrients. Fact, cooking tomatoes enhances lycopene absorption. Hit like if you found these remedies helpful. Subscribe to Kitchen Hospital for more natural healing secrets. Share this video with friends and family. Let's spread health awareness.